Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wondered why Chinese has so many ways to say okay? Today we will learn how the, how and how pa. They all mean okay, but each has a different feeling. Let's get started. First, let's look at how. How is the most basic and neutral way to say okay. You can use it when you simply agree with someone. Example conversation. A. 我们走吧 Let's go. B. How? Okay. Now let's move on to the second one. How the. It means okay. Got it. It's more polite than just saying how and is commonly used in service situations or when confirming instructions. Example conversation. A. 请明天发给我 Please send it to me tomorrow. B. 好的 Okay, got it. Now let's move on to the third one. Hawa. Hawa means sure or great. It shows more enthusiasm or happiness. Example conversation. A. 我们一起吃饭吧 Let's eat together. B. How? Sure. Great. The speaker sounds happy and excited to join. Now let's look at the final one, last one. How pa? It means okay then or all right. It often shows acceptance, sometimes with a little hesitation. It means that you agree but with a little reluctance. Example conversation. 吃晚饭以后把碗洗了吧 Wash the dishes after the meal, okay? 好吧 okay. Now let's take a quick review. How neutral okay. How the polite okay. How enthusiastic okay. How pa and okay with slight hesitation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn Chinese with Tarannum. See you in the next one. Goodbye. 再见.